livestock story to the former days belong. All around the clouds are breaking, soon the storms of time shall cease. In God's likeness we awaken, knowing everlasting peace. Oh, what glory far exceeding all that eye has yet perceived, holiest hearts for ages bleeding, never that full joy conceived. God has promised, Christ prepares it, there on high our welcome waits. Every humble spirit shares it, Christ has passed the eternal gates. Life eternal, heaven rejoices, Jesus lives who once was dead. Shout with joy, O deathless voices, child of God, lift up your head. Patriarchs from the distant ages, saints all longing for their head. Prophets, psalmists, seers, and sages, all await the glory give. Life eternal, oh what wonders crowd on faith, what joy unknown, when amidst earth's closing thunders, saints shall stand before the throne. Oh, to enter that bright portal, see that glowing firmament, know with thee, O God immortal, Jesus Christ, whom thou hast sent.